Well, we got another 5 to 7 inches between last night and this morning. 5 to 7 inches of snow. And so
it's time to get the tractor fired up and push some snow around with the plow. Thanks for watching this video here on our big house in the Little Woods. If you haven't already subscribed, you can click the icon located up here. Otherwise, check out an entire playlist of videos with our John Deere 3038E plowing snow. Or click down here for all our other videos relating to our tractor. Thanks for watching.